Do you have way too much stuff and don't know what to pack in your hospital bag? In this video, I'm going to cover what you actually need. Hey everybody, and welcome back to The Belly Blossom. On this channel, I take you on a journey into motherhood. It's so nice to have you back again and see your growing belly. If it's your first time here, I would be honored if you would subscribe to be part of our supportive community. This week, we're going to talk about what you actually need in your bag. A lot of women make the mistake of packing too much, taking up valuable space in your bag. Everything I talk about will be linked in the description below, so check there for detailed information and current pricing. As well, stick around to the end because I have some pro tips for you. Let's jump into the video. First of all, what to pack for yourself. Pack a small travel toiletry bag, including your toothbrush, toothpaste, hairbrush, makeup, and don't forget your deodorant. I packed minimal makeup, enough to make me feel put together. I also brought my own travel size shampoo, conditioner, face wash, and cream. Lip balm is a must-have and needs to be easily accessible. Hospitals are extremely dry, so you are going to want to apply it quite often. Don't forget to bring a hair tie if you have long hair, because you're going to be working so hard and want to have your hair up and out of the way. Okay, next, bring some easily washable or cheap disposable slippers or flip-flops. You do not want to be walking barefoot on the hospital floor, and they could get, let's say, wet. Pillows. Bring your own pillows. Having your own pillow is so nice, especially if you have a long labor. Hospital pillows are terrible, and you want to be comfortable. Next, think about the clothing that you're going to need. If you plan on breastfeeding, it's very convenient to bring a breastfeeding tank top such as this one. This company, Ripe, makes amazing maternity clothing, and you can unhook and hook it with just one hand. Very convenient. I brought along 2 of these tank tops, one for the day that I had to be there and one for the overnight stay. There is nothing better than putting on your own clothes after wearing a gown for an extended period of time. Bring along some comfortable pants, like yoga pants or sweatpants. If you're like me and your water broke before you got to the hospital, you are going to need a change of clothes. Now underwear. Pack cheap, dark-colored, full-bottom panties. My hospital provided these stretchy, super comfortable panties, but if your hospital doesn't have them or you just don't like them, pack your own for backup. If your hospital has them, a lot of times they're limited to the amount that they can give you, like 1 or 2 pairs. Okay, pads are essential. Your hospital will provide you with extra large absorbent pads such as these. These pads are perfect for the first 24 to 48 hours. But after that, your flow should be getting lighter. And these pads are a little bit overkill and honestly uncomfortable. So I brought some of my own pads from home, which made me feel more like myself and less like I was wearing a diaper. Do not forget your prenatal papers and your healthcare card, which I always kept in my purse. The item that I loved the most was my essential oils diffuser. Check your hospital policy about use and which oils are safe in pregnancy. I used grapefruit oil, which made me feel more fresh and energetic. Plus, my husband cannot stand the smell of hospitals, so it was a bonus for us both. Lastly, your electronics. A portable battery pack is super handy, especially if you have a long labor, because let's face it, you're going to want something to do and everyone wants an update. You may also want to bring your headphones so you can watch videos like mine or watch a movie. And don't forget your camera and your chargers. Now on to your partner. Most hospitals allow your partner to stay without limits. That being said, they quite often do not have a place to sleep, and if they do, it is uncomfortable. So pack a pillow for them too. They need their own toiletry bag and some comfortable lounging clothes. Snacks are essential because hospital food is super expensive and honestly not very good. Your partner may not have a chance to slip away and get something to eat because they're there supporting you. I packed some fruit, mineral water, and granola bars, but wished that I had pre-made some yummy food to bring along. Your partner may also need some entertainment, so don't let them forget their phone charger. Now, things for baby. The hospital will have all the diapers you need, so unless you want a specific brand of diapers, you do not need to bring any. The same goes for wipes. Postpartum units are kept quite warm for the babies, so there is no need to bring a lot of clothes. I mostly kept my daughter in a diaper and receiving blanket because we did a lot of skin to skin. We brought 2 sleepers to bring her home in, one small and one little. A lot of babies are born with really long fingernails, so bring some nail scissors or clippers. They also have the tendency to scratch themselves, even with short nails, so little baby mittens are helpful. Newborn baby poops called meconium are really sticky. We used coconut oil to prevent the poop from sticking to her bum. If you are open to the use of pacifiers, you can also bring that along. I avoided using ours until my milk was in and breastfeeding was well established. Lastly, bring your baby a hat. Babies get cold really easily, so it's important to keep their head warm for the first few days, and especially for the drive home. I have saved some of my pro tips for the end, so listen up. Bring a bright colored pillowcase so yours does not get confused with the hospital's or left behind. Hospital body wash and shampoo are not moisturizing, even if they say they are. I suggest bringing your own so you can have those smells, smooth hair and skin that make you feel like you are at home. If you have an older child, pack a few things for them, such as clothes, snacks, and diapers, just in case things happen quickly and you have to bring them along. Plan to pack your bag around 37 weeks and leave it in the car, because this baby may plan to come when you least expect it. Lastly, do not forget your car seat and have it properly installed. Well, my friends, that's what you actually need to pack. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for my future videos. We'll see you next week on The Belly Blossom.